Hi, bye. Hi. What's that? What's this?
What the?
Water. What's this?
Two.
Toast, yeah. Can you say hi?
Hey.
Hi, Toast.
Devil.
Can you say hi, water?
Hi.
Hi, water. Oh, you're going to have a drink? Mmm.
Baby.
Such a baby over there? What comes after 1?
P.
Good girl. 2. Yeah. A. What comes after A? B. Yeah. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. Can you say Can you say L? M. N. O. P. Q. Can you say R? S. T. U. Water, yeah. Can you say U? After you have a drink? U. No. Can you say V? V for violet. Teeth? Got some teeth? Let's see them. Oh, wow. Those are pretty. Can you say V? Toast. W? What about an X? No, the alphabet's boring now. Yeah. Okay, say bye. No kisses? Good girl.